Hi guys, in this video we will see how to connect Copilot to your personal services such as OneDrive, Outlook, Google Drive, Gmail and Google Calendar. You can easily connect all these personal services to your Copilot. Here are the process. Go to Windows Search and open Copilot app on your system, Windows 11 system. Here your Copilot page will open. Here from the bottom left corner you will find your profile icon. If you have not signed in your Copilot, then first sign in it and choose settings. Thereafter go to right side of page. Here you will find connectors. Click on connectors and here connecting to other apps helps Copilot find things for you and give more personalized answers. So if you want to connect OneDrive with your Copilot in Windows 11 system, simply turn the toggle button on against OneDrive. Simply Outlook, search, read and analyze messages and insights. So here you will find all the features, OneDrive, Outlook, and if you want to connect Google Drive, Gmail and Google Calendar, then simply click on connect. Same, if you want to connect Google Drive with your Copilot in your Windows 11 system, click on connect. And here you will find simply click on connect. Google Drive will connect it with your Copilot. So some other features also available here: Google Drive, Google Calendar and also Gmail. If you want to connect Gmail with your Copilot, then simply click on connect and finally click on connect from the top right corner and Gmail will connect with your Windows 11 Copilot. Same, Google Calendar is also available. If you want to turn off, if you want to stop connecting to your Copilot, then simply disconnect it and turn the toggle button off against all these options, Outlook, OneDrive and other features. And if you want to disconnect Google Drive, Gmail and Google Calendar, simply disconnect all this section from the same procedure, apply same procedure, open it and choose disconnect, from which you can easily turn the toggle button on and off to connect or disconnect. That's all.